Sa gitna ng tensyon ng Pilipinas at China sa West Philippine Sea, importante na alam natin ang military capability ng bawat bansa, at maintindihan ng bawat Pilipino ang importansya ng mapayapang resolusyon, at maiwasan ang posibilidad ng digmaan ng dalawang bansa. Nuclear weapons, Philippines, 0, China 410. Active personnel, Philippines, 150,000, China 2.03 million. Reserve personnel, Philippines, 1.2 million, China 1.1 million. Combat tanks, Philippines 10, China 5,000. Armored vehicles, Philippines, 7,562, China 174,300. Total artillery, Philippines, 301, China 5,284. Rocket projector, Philippines, 0, China 3,180. Attack aircraft, Philippines, 25, China 371. Fighter jets, Philippines, 0, China 1,207. Attack helicopters, Philippines, 2, China 281. Unmanned aerial vehicles, Philippines, 22, China 151. Transport aircraft, Philippines, 25, China 289. Aircraft carrier, Philippines, 0, China 2. Helicopter carrier, Philippines, 0, China 3. Destroyer, Philippines, 0, China 49. Frigates, Philippines, 2, China 42. Corvette, Philippines, 1, China 72. Submarine, Philippines, 0, China 61. Ngayon alam mo na. Please like and follow for more amazing facts and informative videos like this.